Example 3. Let f of x equals x to the 4th power plus 4x squared minus 9. Find the local extrema, intervals of concave up and concave down, and inflection points. So, in order to find local extrema, we will take the first derivative. F prime of x equals 4x cubed plus 8x. And we will get our critical numbers by setting this equals 0. So we factor out the 4x, common factor, x squared plus 2 equals 0. So we know our critical number is x equals 0, and x squared plus 2 doesn't equal 0, so we don't have more critical number. So in order to locate the extrema, we can try to use a second derivative test. That is, at the critical point, so f prime of 0 equals 0, we can find it. We need to evaluate f double prime of 0 to see whether it's greater than 0 or less than 0, so we know it's a local mean or local max. So f double prime of x is a derivative of f prime. So we have 12x squared plus 8. And we can see that f double prime of 0, so f double prime at the critical number, 0 right here, is greater than 0. Now because it's greater than 0, you can think of it greater than 0 concave up. So it's a smiling face. You have a local minimum. So we can conclude that the local minimum is at x equals 0, comma, so go back to the original function, 0, comma, negative 9. So no local max, because we only have one critical number. Now, to find the interval of concave up and concave down, we need to set f double prime equals 0. So we have 12x squared plus 8 equals 0. And we factor out the common factor of 4. So 3x squared plus 2 equals 0. There's no solution. So this will never equal 0. We do not have a candidate for inflection point. So what it means is in the entire domain of this function, it's either concave up or concave down depending on the sign of f double prime. But f double prime, you take a look at 12x squared, it's non-negative, plus 8, so it's always greater than 0. So the interval of concave up is the entire domain negative infinity to infinity. And the interval for concave down is the empty set because it's never concave down. And inflection point does not exist because we don't have any point there.